Today we are learning Java programming. There are a number of the editors are available in which we can code our programming. So to map them properly, we have to use text editor. So we have to go to this editor, that is Java creator, that is JCreator. Double click it or open it. It will open an application which is specific tool which help you to create a Java application. So now click on new file, and now you have to create your own Java file, suppose that app. And now second column is mentioned here for location where you want to save the file. So I'm going to select this particular file in my folder and directory and under the Java program. And here, a part of the name, you do not need to write after the file name .java. It is automatically added by this particular editor. Now click it. You can see here is a workspace or work area, and this is a file view in which how many file we have, it shows here. And this is journal output. It shows the compilation result. So now before we have to start the program, we have to use command, because when we are going to just understand this program in future, it help us to understand the program well and modify the program. So I am creating here first program. So simply I will write here, this is my first Java program. Now after that I have to just use class and then app. Curly braces open. It will tells whatever the area will cover by this application or class. You can see one important thing also. Here are number of the lines also available, which tells us how many lines we have in a program, and if there is some error or problem, we can easily understand in which line we have the problem. Now its main function, because the app is a class having a main function and it itself a main class. So public static void main. In this function there is a already prototype, that is string arg with array. Now it is the basic structure of this Java program in which we can print our content to the console. So to print the content in the console, we have to write system.out print. After that, round bracket open and close. Inside that round bracket open and close, we have to put the string to print out. So I'm just printing hello world. And now after that, what is the next step? We have to compile it first, and then after that we can see the output and the execute. Now we have to go to this particular compile file. Now the result whatever will come in output screen. Here is process completed. It means there is no problem. And now we have to click it execute button by shortcut key F5 or directly by pressing this particular button. Now you can see after execution, you can see simply hello world will print in front of you in console screen. Here is press any key to continue. This is a simple notification to the user. If you want to exit from if you want to exit from this particular window, you have to press any key. Suppose that I am pressing here spacebar. So now this particular window, that is disappear in front of you. Here, so now the next one thing. Suppose that if I'll just type the next line again, system dot out print with a from Java. Okay, now we have to again follow this earlier procedure again to check what will the output. Same thing, process is completed, and then after that run output. Now you can see hello world from Java comes in a single line only. Why? Because we do not have used the ln keyword. So basically we have to use ln also. Now again compile it and then run it. Now you can see the hello world in a first line and from Java in second line. Why? Because of only and only ln keyword. If I do not want to use the ln, now I have to delete it, and I can use /n. /n is the escape sequence which also works same as ln. Now compile and then after that execute it. Now you can see the same output but we do not here use the ln now. Now suppose that if I have done mistake here, what will come? Suppose that I have deleted the termination or the semicolon here. Now you can see after compilation there will be output. It shows you expected, where double click it, it will show you line number 6. So here you can see line number 6 is this. So at the last moment I can see here I have to press terminator. Now it is easy to understand where is the problem with the help of this line number, and output build will automatically tells you where is the problem or the errors arise. Now run it and you can see hello Java, hello world from Java. And now it is not necessary to have a particular application name same as class. Said app1, I'm going to, here you can see that file name is app.java but class app. So I'm going to compile it. Now you can see this particular process done, and now run it. So output is same, but if I want to just make the same name as our application, I have to use a public keyword. In public keyword, if I'll use the different name as compared to the file name, what will happen? Look at it. It will show you app1 is a public and should be declared in the file name app also. It means it also says us the whatever the file name class name is having should have the same name as file name. So I have to use only app in the condition whenever I'm using the public keyword in front of the class. So run it again. Now you can see there is no problem, process completed, and run it. So now you can see hello world from Java. So that's for the day. Have a nice day.